guys, today I'm going to show you we are making grilled cheese, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's do it. We put the butter in the pan. We're going to start mixing it. So let's make it a circle first.
Okay. What do you just made it?
Ghee.
It's kind of like a butter you did, right?
Yeah, butter.
So now what are you going to do with this?
Now wait. Oh God. Okay, hold on.
Just do it. It's okay.
Do they see the guys see the bread?
Yeah, everything is showing. Yes.
I have idea.
So what are you going to do with this?
So put it in the outside, guys. Wait, first we have to add cheese. That's the thing, before putting the butter. Hold on, one sec, guys.
Yeah.
Once we have cheese. Alright, we're gonna
this
put
American
this.
cheese.
Yeah, American cheese. Let's put it right. Oh wait, bag open first. Whoopsie. There we go. So you open it like this. See that cheese, guys? Look at that wiggly cheese.
So what are you going to do now? You put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta see it, right?
Butter, right?
Yeah.
Putting the butter in the outside?
Butter. Outside, you have to.
So what is the like secret about putting the butter outside?
So it can fry good and cook well.
Oh, okay. So you don't need to put the butter inside of the bread.
No,
right?
that'll taste disgusting.
Okay. So you do the same
All
thing
right,
the
now
other
we
one?
open this. That one totally doesn't need no more. Needs more. And now this one. We got hold the cheese tight. I see the ghee. Okay. Here it is, spreading into there.
It's butter. It's
butter, by the way. Get more. I need more. Now it's yellow. You see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now for these. Okay. Wait. Cheese right here. Now put it in the pan.
I think you need to turn up the
Yeah, let me move these
oven.
or else it's gonna. We have to watch out for these. Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
this is like a first time video Sami is doing. He's cooking.
Alright guys, you ready?
So
Okay, which one? How much?
Go like I think it's put it left side.
Hey, how much? High?
This one, left side. No, this side.
Spatula. Is it cooking actually?
Yes. Oh, you can see the rat in there. Yes.
I don't see.
Yes, here you go.
It's
Sami
not
is
sizzling,
making now.
but it's not sizzling, guys.
It is coming. You'll come.
We just have to wait for a minute.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. Oh, you hear the sizzling?
Yes.
Oh, here it goes.
Yeah, it's a
Okay, we have to wait. I have to be careful here. I'll put it in the left because it's easier.
Okay.
Okay, wait for the sizzling. Tell me when to flip.
Yeah, flip. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Wow, this is nice. Sami is cooking.
Oh, here comes the sizzling now.
Sami, are you cooking because your mom went to work? Is that right?
Yes, she went to work.
Oh, it's making noise now.
It is. Okay, we gotta wait.
Yeah,
there it is.
perfect.
Yes. We need to wait until it's full cooked. It needs to be like a little bit like crispy. Just wait here. Just wait. You can also do this. Carry the pan, sizzle it around. Push that right here. Push everything so it can like.
Oh, but wow, this is nice. Sami, that's probably ready.
You sure?
I think
One
so.
more time. Okay.
Your cheese grill, like
In full melt. And then.
Your cheese melt now.
All right. Here it is. Oh, here's the comes. Wait. So see.
No, you can put it here in this one.
There it is.
Hold on, let me.
Off. Is it off? Look. You see,
Hold on.
look, it's not off.
Yeah, it's okay. Why I miss?
You see it, guys?
What did you make? Hold on. There you go.
There it is.